don't know. I don't know. I don't know how we'll make it through this.
On my show. How things have changed since then.
You were the first. I remember one of the first sessions we did. It was kind of scary at that time. I mean, we were playing gigs to about 100 people a year